Hi, Mark here, just after 8 a.m. Eastern, 13th of May. US session now underway. Let's have a look how the US dollar is performing. The US dollar index, strong day yesterday. US dollar index, US major equity markets, oil along with that, all had a strong day yesterday and all rallied. Let's see today if the theme of US dollar demand for the US dollar in the various categories maintains through today, or if we do get some kind of a turnaround now that the US session is underway. There's yesterday's strong move. We can see all the way up resistance 101.82 on the index so far today, given up those gains a little and hanging around the descending trend line that I have in. That's where we're sitting right now. Support 101.32 so far today. And if I zoom into the hourly, you'll see there is the support today, the 101.30 area. Buyers will be looking to bounce up off this trend line and up the support area to go back up to yesterday's resistance from 101.82. Let's have a look at the majors, starting with the euro, and I'll take a step back on the daily. There's the strong US dollar. Yesterday, you can see support set at $1.1062, slight gap higher to start today. And so far, euro on the front foot. We'll see if that can be maintained, whether the euro can fight back, or alternatively, whether we're going to see US dollar strength again now that the US session is open. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see there's the bounce up off support, kind of sideways right now. Sellers will be looking, as I say, down to this $1.1060 support area, whereas buyers of euro, sellers of US, a reversal from yesterday, would be looking back up here at the 4-hour resistance, and that's at 112.43. Let's have a look at the pound. Also sold off heavily against the US yesterday. There you can see resistance up here at 133, support at 131.93, just below the 132 level. So far today, buyers of pound off on the front footing. You can see the green candlestick, that's buying pound, selling US, looking to reverse some of yesterday's losses. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see there was support, and you can see pounds trying to fight back now at the 132.18 resistance area. Let's have a look at the US yen. Strong move yesterday by the US dollar against the yen. You can see that all the way down here from 145.70 to 148.62. That's really a strong and powerful move up from the US dollar. Given up a bit of those gains earlier to start today, down at 147.62 is the intraday support for now. But US dollar again fighting its way back, looking up here at resistance at the 148.62. Already made its way up here. And if I zoom in to the hourly, there you can see after the retracement from the resistance area, now turned around on the hourly, buyers looking to come back up here above the 148 yen, back up to 148.62, the resistance established yesterday. And the last of the four majors I'm going to look at is the US Canadian. Not much of a fight back by the Canadian. If I look at the daily, you can see another strong day US fight from yesterday's close at 139.69, fighting back again today, looking for this resistance at 140.15 to come up and test $1.40 and higher. Tough level to get through, but so far US dollar carrying on from yesterday's rally and certainly strong against the Canadian again. If I go to the hourly, there you can see we did get a retracement after getting to the $1.4016, but bounced up off that. And for now, US dollar looking strong again and sitting right at that $1.40 level. I'll see you at end of day session. Keep that discipline going.